Away from that, human rights groups and defenders are calling for justice for families affected by the Kware murders, accusing the government of failing to protect the victims. Now, the rights groups now want the police officers probed following the escape of key murder suspect Collins Jumaisi. As Catherine Imuraget reports, the rights defenders are demanding that the government resumes the retrieval of bodies they say are still at the quarry.
5 months after bodies were discovered at the Kware dumpsite, a non-governmental organization, the Mukuru Community Justice Center, has released a report dubbed Kware Aftermath, urging the government to shut down the dumpsite and speed up investigation.
The state must move with speed to continue with the investigation and to comb that area so that any belief or feeling that there are human beings there must be investigated and the surety be rendered to the public.
The organization has condemned the government's failure to protect the victims, most of whom were young people.
Hata wakati nilikuwa nikitoa hizo mili, kuna makara walinishika na wakaniambia wanaweza nificha mbali sana nisioonekana. Na wale watu wameuawa ni watu kama sisi. Mimi najua tukinyamaza hata si kesho tutauawa tutupe kwa shimo ingine kama hiyo tu.
The divers who helped recover bodies from the dumpsite are also appealing to the government for psychosocial support.
Hatujaienda counseling, tuko tu. Hizo mapicha zenye tulikuwa tunaona tuko unaweza fungua kichwa upatane na skeleton ya kichwa. Hatuko tumeisoea, si kazi tumesomea. Kuna shirika yenye imejitolea ikasimama na sisi ikasema hao vijana walikuwa tu local people.
Pia tunataka matibabu, counseling. That process yote, hizo body zote tumetoa. Nobody has come atuambia tunataka kwa cancel ama tuwa nini. Traumatize, kutoa bodies 18 unazifungua, ukiziangalia zote zimekatakatwa. Unaweza imagine that process.
The Directorate of Criminal Investigations, DCI, is under scrutiny for failing to rearrest the suspect, who allegedly confessed to killing 42 women and dumping their bodies at Kware dumpsite before escaping police custody.
The families have given up because even since they were given the bodies by the DCI, they have never been communicated to anything. So they have given up in terms of how are they going to get justice. You can imagine how traumatized these families are also going through to this period. We are demanding justice because Collins was arrested alongside other people. We are demanding the government to tell us the truth. Where is Collins? Where are the rest? And what is justice to these families?
Catherine Imuraget, KTN News.